They stepped down into darkness, into air that could actually turn toxic, well, without even warning, into steel chambers with no easy way out. It was dangerous work, accepted as routine. Now, of course, that assumption is beginning to change. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our Matrix, a deep tech startup with a $2.1 million corpus. They aren't just building C3PO, they're actually building snakes. Picture something, well, less cinematic, more industrial, sleek, segmented, deliberate, flexible, modular, slim. Robotic arms threading through steel corridors, too narrow, too toxic, too unforgiving for a human being. They don't need air, they don't tire, and they don't hesitate. Inspection, welding, painting, one system, many tasks. A toolkit for an age defined by risk. So for some, it represents a $1 trillion ambition, the fully automated worksite. And yet, there is a complication. And here it is. The brochure calls it AI-powered navigation. The slide deck talks about real-time adaptation. In plain English, it finds its way through a steel maze without actually getting stuck. And yes, it sounds slightly unreal until you watch it move. But when you step onto the floor, which is the shop floor, the scene changes dramatically. It's loud, it's dirty, metal sweats, things leak. $2 million disappears quickly in a place where a single failure can shut down assets worth billions. Yeah. Yes, the machines move beautifully in a demonstration, but demonstrations don't have night shifts, corroded bolts, or for that matter, managers who've been there and seen 3 revolutions already. And if you are in your 20s, please pay attention. This is actually about who ends up running the industry's built-in risk and not just robots. Our Matrix wants to be the next nervous system for heavy industry, which means they want to actually have shipbuilding, defense, aviation in their sights. They've got the backing of Pi Ventures and they have the modular end effectors. Now, what they need are the pilots. I, of course, have been wondering, is this a safety revolution or a cost-cutting masterclass? The central part of the dialogue says saving lives, but the balance sheet points towards efficiency. Either way, the era of the human tank crawler is on life support. Not to sound too dramatic, but keep your eyes on the snake. It's small, it's flexible, and it's hungry for your industry's worst jobs. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.